In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a rule in Outlook. If your inbox is behaving in ways you don't expect, email skipping the inbox, moving to folders, or auto-flagging, it's often a rule doing that work in the background. Deleting the rule that no longer serves you is quick, and I'll show you how in both Outlook on the web or the new Outlook experience, and in the classic Outlook for Windows desktop app. Let's start with Outlook on the web or the new Outlook. Open Outlook and look to the top right for the gear-shaped settings icon. Click that to open settings. From there, choose Mail, and then select Rules. You'll see a list of your rules, typically by name and sometimes with a short description so you can identify what each one does. Find the rule you want to remove and click the trash can icon or the delete link next to it. In some versions, you'll see a save button appear at the top or bottom after you delete. If you do, make sure to click save so the change sticks. Once saved, the rule is gone, and emails will stop following that rule moving forward. Now, if you're using the classic Outlook for Windows desktop app, the steps are a little different. In the upper left corner, click the File tab to open the Backstage view. Choose Manage Rules Alerts. A dialog box will open. Make sure you're on the Email Rules tab. You'll see your rules listed here. Click to select the rule you want to remove, then click Delete. Outlook will remove it from the list. To finalize the change, click Apply, and then click OK to close the window. That ensures the deletion takes effect for your mailbox. A few quick clarifications to help you avoid surprises. If your rules were created for your primary mailbox, changes typically apply across devices, because most rules are stored on the server. That means once you delete a rule here, you shouldn't see it running on your phone or another computer. Also, rule names can be similar if you've created a few variations in the past, so take a moment to confirm you've selected the right one before deleting. If you're not sure whether you're in the new Outlook or the classic app, the absence of the File tab is a good hint you're in the new experience and should use the Settings gear route. And that's it. Thanks for watching.